Hello everyone, I am Kunal Chauhan, student of BTech first year from ABS Institute of Technology. Firstly, thank you for being here today. Today, I present my views on my presentation on an interesting topic, holography. The word holography that include a lot of interest. So, welcome to holography. In this presentation, I told you about what is holography, its history, timeline, working, applications, and how hologram show all the screen and reduces all the screen in future, and how it works and how it gave an imaginary world to the new generation. So let's start. Holography is a science and practice of making holograms. A hologram, also known as holography, is a recording of an interference pattern which uses diffraction to produce a 3D field light, resulting in an image which still has a depth, parallax, and other properties of the original scene. Holography. Holography is a technique that allows the light scattered from an object to be recorded, later reconstructed. The technique to optically store, retrieve, and process information. Preserve the 3D information of holographed subject. Now let's move on next slide. The holographic explosion, which originated in the United States in the early 1970s following the invention of the laser in 1960, and thanks particularly to the contribution of Amit Ladd, who recorded the first hologram of a three-dimensional object in 1964. Dennis Gabor discovered the basic technology development of the laser in 1960. Optically, the holography did not really advance until the holography in 1947. The first particular optical hologram that recorded the 3D objects to be made in 1962. Now discuss about the timeline of holography. In 1947, Dennis Gabor developed the theory of holography. In 1960, pulsed ruby laser was developed. In 1962, in 2009, interference or interactive holographic displays was developed. In 2010, development moving 3D hologram. Now I would like to look how it works. These holograms are created by splitting a laser beam into two separated beams using an angle mirror. These then form an object beam and a reflection beam, such as timeline of holography. Second, require a laser as a light source. Third, image is captured as an interference pattern. Fourth, working of holography is divided into two phases, recorded or construction. In the holographic plate, both the beams combine and interference pattern will be formed. This interference pattern is recorded on the holographic plate. The three-dimensional images of the object can be seen by exposing the recorded holographic plate to the coherent light. This is the principle of holography. Now, I discuss about what are the components required to construct a hologram, such as laser. Usually, helium neon laser are used. Second, beam splitter, devices that use mirrors and of light to the current location. Holographic films can be recorded light at a very high resolution. Layers of light sensitive compound on a transparent surface. Now I did look like next slide. Now I discuss about the importance of holography. Rapidly growing technology project large scale high resolution images onto free space, accommodate multiple viewers independently and simultaneously, create tremendous effect on all fields of including business, education, science, art and healthcare, enabling viewing the 3D objects in space. There are many more important. Now there are some projected costs of 3D holograms in front of you. Now, if you want to make a hologram like an Iron Man, then this topic becomes more interesting. Researchers says an Iron Man like 3D hologram controlled by a leap motion may be possible through it is projected on a forced light prism, and while it's not quite as good as what Tony Stark has an Iron Man, it's still pretty cool and it controlled by a JavaScript. Now leads me to the next slide, computer and holography. Computer generated holography is the method of digitally generating holographic interference pattern. A holographic image can be generated by digital computing a holographic interference pattern and printing it onto a film for illumination by a suitable current light source. Now discuss that advanced technology such as touchable holograms, tactile holographic displays with haptic feedback, horizontal 360 views of an image on a tabletop using interfacing integrated displays, and many more technologies. Now discuss the applications of holography such as advertising, gaming, education, training, medical, movies, communication, military and space applications, and many more. Now, let me conclude this presentation. Holographic technology and the spectral imaging has endless application as far as the human mind can imagine. In future, holographic displays will be replacing all present displays in all sizes from small phones screen to large projectors. That's the end of my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it a lot. Thank you very much for giving your precious time to me. Have a nice day.